Hi all, welcome to Strmi Nation YouTube channel. This is my friend Rick Slicks. My friend Rick Slicks. We are installing Temu universal boot lip, or if you American trunk spoiler. Okay, let's go. So here we go. He's installing the middle part. It was easy to find the middle of the trunk. You just take BMW logo, and here is exactly the half of the trunk. And so just follow BMW logo. So middle part of the Temu universal trunk boot lip / spoiler is installed. Now we are going with the left part, and since this is universal, we have to cut. So now we take measures and we'll cut this part that goes to middle, so you can keep the shape of this trunk. So do not cut at the end, cut in the middle. After few measurements, after few tries of measurement, we have a exact length. Length is 0.5 meter or 50 centimeters. We do not use imperial sheets here, only metric. So now my friend Rick Slicks is gonna cut this lip. Since it's Temu, it will probably go easy with this 50-cent knife or scalpel. And yeah, it's going like hot knife through butter. Long live Chinese and Temu quality. Now we are following my friend Rick Slicks and his BMW G20 320i ultimate Temu build. For now we are installing trunk lip. Next one is invisible license plate holder, and in few days we are gonna install front bumper spoiler or lip. We are waiting for arrival from Temu, and that's it. Left part. Now we are gonna cut right one and install the right one. Okay. Great. He says he's gonna cut it, but I don't know how without damaging clear coat. But yeah, it's all good. Well, actually, for Chinese quality, you don't even need scalpel. You can cut it with cane. Amazing. Okay, let's go. Right part. To install this spoiler, all you need is 50-cent scalpel, meter, and that's it. Well, it was, I doubt I paid more than €1 for that piece of shit, but it's sharp enough to cut through Temu front.
This is
well, it's not front, it's actually boot lip. Yeah, he says it's made out of rubber. Amazing. Amazing, outstanding Chinese rubber.
Zašto to snimaš, glupane?
I need to record it all. He is speaking Croatian, if you wonder. It's not Serbian or some other Balkan shit. We are pure Croatians here. No racism, no nationality, nothing. just stating facts before some Serbs come and say that this is Serbia, because for them everything is Serbian. But you know, they are Serbs, so we are used to that. And no, I'm not gonna apologize for saying this. I'm just stating facts. But yeah, we are from Croatia and we are speaking Croatian.
And we are fucking idiots.
And no, I don't hate Serbs or anything, I'm just joking. So no hard feelings. And that's it, ultimate boot spoiler. It's fake M4 and it's a bit different since this is this is made from rubber. It's not plastic. Soon, my friend says, it's gonna fly off once he accelerates.
It's gonna fly off.
But I don't think so. I trust my Chinese brothers. And this, how much you paid? Koliko si platio?
20 euros.
He paid 20 euros for this. Of course, there is no tooth certificate or anything like that.
Ima potpuno se rado.
He is probably gonna get pulled over by police because police is getting more stricter and stricter here in Croatia. So yeah, good luck with this.
Same like yours.
Yeah, but we are gonna say this is made in Germany.
Yes.
We are gonna fake using ChatGPT. We are gonna fake tooth certificate, and we are gonna make this shit legal. If you need more information, just PM me. And that's it. Next one, invisible license plate holder. Watch out not to rub off the collar.
No. Što otpas negdje na cesti, sunce ti jebem kalajsam.
So now we switch to installing invisible license plates brackets or holders, whatever you want to call it. Of course, from Temu. You need to install it on boot. You have one screw, and then you tape it back with this two-sided pre-cut adhesive that you get with this kit. Two goes back and two goes on the front to help with holding license plate. So now Rick Slicks is gonna install second bracket, and then we are gonna install license plate. It will hold it, I know, because on my last car, BMW F10, I used to drive it like this for more than 2 years without any problem. License plate never fell off. So it's good. Not only on the boot, but also on the front bumper. They hold it without any problem. Even at speeds greater than 200 kilometers per hour.
Sada ako otpadne,
It won't fall off. Look it to be in the middle.
ma nešto, to će otpast.
So I guess it's not in the middle. And we have some Temu
Shit.
problems, but that's to be expected. My advice is to use windshield adhesive. With that, there won't be no falling off, because that shit holds as crazy. And also, if you ever need some adhesive glue for your lips, spoilers, and so on, just feel free to use windshield adhesive. That shit is really
Daj
strong.
skidam, bok, ne može ovo.
He is deinstalling it, and he is gonna leave bad review on Temu. I can already see it. Fuck you. This piece of shit can't hold anything, yet alone license plate.
Još sam mi za napravio na boji.
And it won't peel off, that's standard, of course. But this is gonna end up as ultimate G20 Temu build. Our idol, or better to say his idol for Temu builds is one and only Chris Licks. So that's why I'm calling him Rick Slicks. His nickname is Ricks, so I just added Slicks. If you know about Chris Licks, he built ultimate Porsches and so on from Temu. So he is gonna build ultimate BMW G20 from Temu. Look, he already installed performance sticker. That's 5 HP more. He also installed this Temu sticker. Front doors, rear doors. So we are looking already 5 horsepower, 10 horsepower, 15 horsepower. And there's also 2 more stickers. So in total he added around 25 horsepower for now. And sticker doesn't even have to say plus 5 HP sticker, because this is Team Ultimate shit. It adds 5 horsepower per sticker just on its own without remapping.